What's up with y'all? Welcome back to another video. Hey, gun that bit. But yeah, like I was saying, what NBA player do I resemble doing this shit right now? Who I resemble? I don't know, man. Wembanyama! Oh, mama, Wembanyama! So we 1v1?
Nigga, you don't want this shit, nigga.
So we 1v1?
Set the camera up, man.
I'm finna set the camera up. I ain't never seen this. Oh! They're not one of my employees up by 4 to 5. Hey. Over his head. I didn't jump. Over his head. No, they do. No, they do. No, they do. No, they do. Love the wind. Yeah. Oh. Anita McLean. Bro, Anita McLean. Anita McLean. Didn't what? What you gonna do, nigga? We're going to father. Guarda! Anita McLean. You're not like that. Yeah, one. One by two. That's tough, man, Jay. Akiniana. 5 what? Akiniana. Not like this. Oh, why leave me open? You're not like this. Oh, you want to know the team? No. Okay. Nigga. His ass. Yeah, y'all.
I boomed
As I
him.
can see, I was cheated.
I boomed him on camera.
Where you at?
Watch this shot though. I do this.
But yeah, y'all. So basically, got to do this pink shirt. I'm gonna show you how it look. Yeah, it's a special edition of a more oversized tee. And it look like this. This is number 31. Never promoted. Front and back. So I'm just touching it up a little bit because I'm trying to post pictures of it today or tomorrow, most likely Friday with the bags. And then I gotta do a hoodie. Do this hoodie. I got this shirt I gotta do. The navy blue shirt. And I gotta put like some teal colors on there and just different colors to match these shoes for the dude. So y'all gonna see me do this. I'm gonna get a little footage of this, a little footage of that, and then tomorrow I'm gonna get some footage of the bags. And most likely I'm gonna end this video off today with just me showing y'all pieces of these shirts and some gym footage. And then that's gonna be it. Just rock with me. We're gonna get everything done. So just stay with me. 9 out of 10, I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get to the gym. And before that, I'm gonna just put B-roll of me doing the shirts and stuff, because I'm gonna go and do that right now. I'm gonna go to the gym and I'm gonna come back. And we supposed to be recording some videos for the gaming channel. So I'm gonna get y'all probably some behind the scenes of that. And then that's most likely gonna be the video, my nigga. Let me know down in the comments what videos y'all want me to try to do, because I'm open doing this type of videos. I'll just be chilling. I have a lot of ideas that I'm already gonna try to do, but just let me know what y'all want to see, because I mean, y'all the ones that's watching. I'm just making, you know what I'm saying? So let me know. Let's get off into some clones. As you can see, it's 8:32. I'm gonna go ahead and head out. I got legs today, but I'm gonna have nobody to work out with. So 9 out of 10, I'm gonna do 2 workouts. Probably be up in there for like 10:30, probably like 2 hours. I'm gonna do a leg workout and probably chest, buys, and shoulders, because I didn't do it this week. I just did back, and that's really it. But yeah, I'm gonna hit y'all up when I get up in the gym. Let's get it. y'all. So we back at the crib. Honestly, too tired to really do that shirt. I'm not gonna do that shirt. So, finna go ahead and end the video right here. If y'all like the video, you already know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what else y'all want me to start doing. Challenge videos coming soon. I know I've been saying that a lot, but I'm really psyched out for that shit. I'm ready to do that. So we're gonna get them to y'all probably in the next week or so. It's still one more thing I gotta get from one of the challenges, and then we can go ahead and start doing them back to back. But yeah. Anybody told you today? I love you, family. See you next time, nigga.